Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how to create box and whisker plots and calculate what is called a 5-number summary with the TI-84. The example says determine the 5-number summary for the following distribution. We're going to arrange them in order, and we can find the median, and the 50th percentile or the second quartile are the same thing as the median. But we're going to do this with the calculator. In a different video, I've shown how to do this by hand. In order to type these into the calculator, we're going to press the Stat button, which is in the middle of the screen. We're going to edit our list or our data entry by pressing Enter. Now I have data from a previous example in here, so I'm going to go up to L1. We're going to highlight L1. We're going to press Clear. And when we go back down, it will clear the list. Make sure you use the Clear button to clear the list, not delete, because if you delete it, you'll delete the entire column. It's not that big of a deal. If you do that, let me know, and I can meet with you, and we can just reset it. We just have to go into the memory and clear the memory, reset it to factory data. So from here, we're going to enter all of the data values by using the keypad. We'll press Enter after each entry. 6.8, 7.2, 8, 8.3, 9, 10, 10, and 11.5. So we should just confirm that we have 14 data values, so that we didn't miss any. Notice that my 15th entry is blank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, great. So we haven't missed any. It's always a good thing to check. From here, we're going to press the Stat button again. And if you are still catching up with entering the data, I'd suggest pausing it now. All right, so press the Stat button. We're going to go over to Calc. We're going to calculate one variable stats. We only have one variable. I don't know what these data represents, but it's only one variable, so we're going to press Enter on one variable stats. Our list was typed into L1. There is no frequency list. If you've used a frequency list for a previous example, make sure you clear that. Go down to Calculate, press Enter. And this display will show us all kinds of information. It shows us the mean, standard deviation, which we haven't gotten to yet. The sample size is 14, the minimum, first quartile. And if we use the down arrow, we can see the rest of the 5-number summary. I'm going to take a quick screenshot of this. So we have the 5-number summary over here. All right, cool. Let's get rid of that. So our minimum is 1, our first quartile is 2, our median is 7, our third quartile is 9, and our max is 11.5. So far, so good. That's how we get the 5-number summary. Done. Now we want to just quickly go over how to create a box and whisker plot using the calculator. So as we've done with other graphing, we're going to press the stat plot entry. So hit second, y equals. Oops, I think I accidentally double tapped. Second y equals. We're going to make sure that our plot 1 is on. It is. If it's not, make sure you highlight on and press Enter. We're going to select the box and whisker plot over here on the right by using the down arrow and the right arrows. And you'll notice that my information here will change as soon as I press Enter. It's now just asking where is the X list. Well, our X values are in L1. Notice that it's also asking where our frequency list is. We don't have a frequency list, so I'm going to clear that. I want to leave that frequency list blank. And then we can hit Graph. However, my graph is probably not going to show this last value if it's set to the factory settings of -10 to 10 on the x-axis. So what we're going to do instead is press Zoom and scroll down to number 9, or just press the number 9, which would be Zoom Stat, and that will arrange the window of our graph to include all of the values within our table, our data set. I'm not sure why it's going on here. Let me just make sure I didn't mess something up. Quit. Second y equals. Off, 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 off. What about regular y equals? That's off. Oh, for some reason it's still looking for a frequency list. Let's turn this instead to the number 1. Sorry about that. We'll just treat every data value as if it has a frequency of 1. Now we'll hit zoom 9 one more time. Sorry about that. And now we have a box and whisker plot. From here, we don't really see too many data values, and the TI-84 does a decent job with graphing, but some of the features of the GeoGebra app do a little bit better.